What?
It'll go with.
Yeah.
What? You just have a small, a round
Right,
turntable?
here's some more plastic.
Oh, it's so
Plastic all over this
cute.
thing.
Your cup looks very pretty in there against the black.
I don't want this one. I don't like the black.
That's it. Mom doesn't like it, honey. You gotta take it back.
Is there any more plastic? No.
I think that's pretty much everything.
We have one screw, and I think one screw will do it this time. You like it, Mama?
Yes.
And your new couch?
Oh, I don't know about that. That I don't know.
Are we done today, or what?
Yes.
No, I said we.
Well, it's quiet.
Oh. Let's see how it heats up the water. Let's make sure it works.
Oh, it'll work.
Make sure it heats up the water. Are you happy now, Mom? You have your microwave?
Yes, I don't know how to
You don't
feel.
have to-
I feel so bad.
Don't feel
Oh,
bad.
No, I really do.
Why? Because we huffed in a couch and then we huffed up a microwave? You don't have to feel bad, Mom. We would do anything for you.
Is it hot?
No.
Yeah, it's warm,
Oh,
but it's
wow.
only, yeah.
All right.
Anything to make you
Where's
happy,
this on the
Mommy.
physical? That's
That's what I started to look up. I just got to the page. I thought I had.
Install grease filters, but that's underneath. Tighten the outer two screws
Maybe
on top of the microphone.